Hi, my name is Rene Rodriguez. I'm the manager of the Cosford Cinema at the University of Miami, and I'm here to talk about our next installment in our Global Frontiers screening series. Our first event, which was held November 5th, generated a lively and great discussion between our guest and the community. For our second event, we're going to be switching gears and talking about border issues between Russia and the Ukraine with our special guest, Professor Dina Moulioukova.
Thank you, Rene. Welcome, everybody. It's a pleasure to have you here. My name is Dina Moulioukova. I'm a faculty here at the University of Miami, where I work on the topics related to identity. And it's a very special event for me to be here welcoming you at the University of Miami on the screening and on discussion on this very important event in international relations, the war between Russia and Ukraine. So what I will be talking to you about is about human stories and the role they play in our lives. How these human stories make us feel safe and secure, how they can bring us peace, but how they can always lead us to war. It's a pleasure to have you here, and I'm very much looking forward to a lovely discussion.
After the talk, we'll be watching Mariupolis, a drama that takes a look at the lives of Ukrainian people stranded by the conflict with Russia and how they go about trying to lead their daily lives while bombs fall in the background. It's a dramatic movie, powerful and very timely. We hope you will come join us to see the film and talk about it afterwards.